Anything, Nick?
No, big one got away.
I hate that when it happens.
Yeah, I hear it.
Here at Gore's Landing. We'll see if we can catch a couple brim here. Gore's Landing is on the Ocklawaha River, bordering the Ocala National Forest. I had a bite right here. I don't know if you can see in the water right there, but right in front of me, a whole bunch of bluegill. Here we go. Yep. Bad news is he swallowed the hook. Bad news is he swallowed the hook. I didn't bring nothing to get it out with. He'll be dead before I get that done. I didn't bring a knife either. Oops. Yep. I don't think he's gonna make it. There's another one. Little dink.
Oh my God, that's smaller than one I shot.
There.
Hold it up real close to your camera.
The hand's gonna give it away though. I'm glad you made the trip with us, Nick.
No, thank you. I'm glad you guys invited me along.
Hope it ain't been too boring.
Sure.
Hope it hasn't been too boring.
Oh. Hopefully I didn't bore you guys to death and I frivolous chatter on the way down.
Oh no, that's okay. Yeah. Oh, is he? Well, I'm glad you paid.
You know, the woodpecker's brain is enclosed in a fluid. Oh, I'll be down. There goes another one.
Is enclosed in fluid?
Yeah, so they can
There's another one.
Found that wood there, and it's just kind of shock absorbing.
I guess it would have to be. I love these little red breast brown. They're just so pretty. Look at the markings on their head. It looks like a saltwater fish. You know, the stripes. Whoop, I'm sorry. Just kick them in there. Lost direction there. There you go. Come on, boy.
You don't know which way is home.
Yeah. See if we can get another dink. Oh. Oh, you cleaned my hook. I have to go get another piece of worm from Dad.
I like to fish for them with a fly rod.
Yeah, they're fun. They're kind of fun with this thing. This is a microlight.